Good morning, sun, you're shining so bright. Wake up, kids, it's a brand new light. Stretch your arms, give a little yawn. It's time to get moving, the day's coming on. Brush your teeth, wash your face, get ready to start the race. Tie your shoes, comb your hair, morning fun is everywhere. The birds are chirping, the sky is so blue. The world is waking just like you. Eat your breakfast, fuel your day. Time to learn, laugh and play. Brush your teeth, wash your face, get ready to start the race. Tie your shoes, comb your hair, morning fun is everywhere. The morning breeze whispers hello. It's a brand new adventure, let's go, go, go. With a smile so big and dreams so high, we'll touch the clouds in the bright blue sky. Brush your teeth, wash your face, get ready to start the race. Tie your shoes, comb your hair, morning fun is everywhere. Good morning world, we're ready to shine. Let's make this day simply divine. With joy and laughter we'll sing this song. Good morning to you all day long.